Hi Scholarly friends! If you want to know how to add transitions and animations in Google Slides, then keep on watching this video. To add a transition, select the desired slide, then click the transition command on the toolbar. The motion pane will appear. Underneath slide transition, open the drop-down menu, then select a transition. We're going to try out each transition so you will have a preview of what it looks like and be able to decide which transition will suit your presentation. The transition will be applied to the current slide. You also can adjust the speed of the transition or apply the same transition to all slides. To add animation, right-click the desired object, then select Animate. In this case, since the motion pane is already open, we can simply select the object we want to animate. There are 15 animations you can choose from, and you can select when you want the animation to appear. By default, an effect starts playing when you click the mouse during a slideshow. If you have multiple effects, you will need to click multiple times to start each effect individually. However, by changing the start option for each effect, you can have effects that automatically play after the previous effect or with the previous effect. If the object is a placeholder or text box, the by paragraph checkbox will be displayed. It determines if the animation is applied to the entire box or if it animates each paragraph of text in the box one at a time. You can also adjust the speed of the animation by dragging the animation speed slider and add multiple animation to an object by clicking Add Animation until you animate object as desired. Transitions and animations are best used in moderation. Using mostly subtle transitions and animations will work. If you have any concerns, feel free to comment down below. Like this video and subscribe for more GSuite tips and tricks.